Hi, soon to be registered public servant. This is Nayumi once again. At ngayong araw na to, sasamahan ko ulit kayo sa inyong pag-review para sa upcoming civil service examination. At ang topic natin today is about the 1987 Philippine Constitution. And this is gonna be a review with me part 5. So if you haven't watched the first 4 parts of this video, I'll just put the link of those in the description box down below just so you can review those as well. And yes, as you noticed, karamihan sa topic ko today is about the 1987 Philippine Constitution kasi sobrang broad, sobrang lawak nitong topic na to. That's why I have to create a lot of questions na posibleng lalabas sa exam. So yes, let's begin now. So first things first, we have to know the direction first. So choose the letter of the correct answer. You may pause the video if you need more time to answer the given question. So the correct answer will be shown at the end of every question. Feel free to share with me your score at the comment section down below. So I highly recommend or suggest for you to have pen and paper with you or something that you can use in recording your answers, okay? So you can check your progress. So question number 1. The flag of the Philippines shall be red, white, and blue with a sun and blank stars as consecrated and honored by the people and recognized by law. A2, B3, C4, D5, and E6. So, ilan nga ba yung stars sa ating Philippine flags? As early as elementary days, alam na natin yan. So, let's check. That's letter B, 3. So, there are 3 stars sa Philippine flag. Now, great job if you've got the right answer. Kudos to you. Now, moving on to question number 2. Blank, as an inviolable social institution, is the foundation of the family and shall be protected by the state. A. Friendship. B. Religion. C. Marriage. D. Health. E. Courting. So, let's take a look and see what's the correct answer. That's letter C, marriage. So, good job if you got the right answer. So, minsan may clue na talaga ako nilalagay para mas madali. Even sa actual na questions, guys. So, question number 3, blank are essential for national development and progress. The state shall give priority to research and development, invention, innovation, and their utilization. A. Food and beverage. B. Construction and factories. C. Research and inventions. D. Research and innovations. E. Science and technology. So, yes, you can pause the video if you need more time. But if you know the answer already, let's check that out. So that's letter E, science and technology. Good job if you get the right answer. So let's proceed to question number 4. So the Commission on Human Rights shall have the following powers and functions except A. Investigate on its own or on complaint by any party all forms of human rights violations involving civil and political rights. B. Adopt its operational guidelines and rules of procedure and cite for contempt for violations thereof in accordance with the rules of court. C. Provide appropriate legal measures for the protection of human rights of all persons within the Philippines as well as Filipinos residing abroad and provide for preventive measures and legal aid services to the underprivileged whose human rights have been violated or need protection. D. Not exercise visitorial powers over jails, prisons, or detention. And E. All of the above. So this question is kind of long. If you need to think of the right answer, you can pause the video. Alright, so if in any case you know the answer already, then let's take a look and reveal what that is. So the correct answer is D. Not exercise visitorial powers over jails, prisons, or detention. Good job if you got the right answer. Now, question number 5. The state shall protect working blank by providing safe and healthful working conditions, taking into account their maternal functions and such facilities and opportunities that will enhance their welfare and enable them to realize their full potential in the service of the nation. A. Mothers. B. Mommies. C. Women. D. Girls. E. All of the above. So, let's take a look and see what's the correct answer. I hope you got the right answer. So, the correct answer is going to be C, women. So, great job if you got the right answer. Commend yourself for doing a good job. And we're halfway there, guys. On to the question number 6. Blank is a public trust. Public officers and employees must at all times be accountable to the people, serve them with utmost responsibility, integrity, loyalty, and efficiency, act with patriotism and justice, and lead modest lives. A. Government office. B. Public office. C. Private office. D. Semi-private office. E. Political office. So, let's check and see what's the correct answer. So, that's gonna be letter B, public office. Alright, so let's proceed and move on to the next question, and that's gonna be number 7. Within its territorial jurisdiction and subject to the provisions of this Constitution and national laws, the Organic Act of Autonomous Regions shall provide for legislative powers over A. Administrative organization, B. Creation of sources of revenues, C. Ancestral domains and natural resources, D. Personal, family, and property relations, E. All of the above. So, the correct answer is going to be all of the above. Lahat yun, guys. So, make sure na maalala natin yun. So, proceed with question number 8. All cases or matters filed after the effectivity of this Constitution must be decided or resolved within blank from date of submission for the Supreme Court, and unless reduced the Supreme Court 12 months for all lower collegiate courts and 3 months for all other lower courts. So A, 36 months, B, 24 months, C, 20 months, D, 30 months, E, 18 months. So let's check and see what's the correct answer. So the right answer is going to be letter B, 24 months. So good job if you have the right answer, if you got the right answer. So, moving on to question number 9. The blank shall have control of all the executive departments, bureaus, and offices. He shall ensure that the laws be faithfully executed. A. Chief of Police. B. Judge. C. President. D. Senate President. E. Vice President. So, great job if you got the right answer. Or if you have the right answer. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I haven't told you the correct answer yet. Sorry. Lutang. Alright, so let's take a look and see what's the correct answer. So that's gonna be C, President. So we're almost done. On to the last question, guys. Number 10. Blank immediately before the next presidential elections up to the end of his term, a president or acting president shall not make appointments except temporary appointments to executive positions when continued vacancies therein will prejudice public service or endanger public safety. A. 1 month. B. 2 months. C. 4 months. D. 6 months. E. 7 months. So, you may pause the video if you need more time to figure it out. But if you already figured it out, good job. Let's check and see what's the right answer. That's letter B, 2 months. Alright, so good job if you got the right answer. And thank you so much for participating in this Review With Me series. See you in my next tutorial. Bye!